Order inquiries OI1 and OI2. I really do like this layout. However, here I am on OI1, and I can see that I do have some functionality here. This should not be in place. I'm not sure if this is just a format. You're trying to show me how it's going to look. But here I do see this very nice pop-up calendar each time I click on a date field. When I go to truly add an order inquiry, though, there are several things that I notice. Number one, when I click on a date, I'm not getting that nice pop-up calendar. When I do input information here, say for example, something like this, I put in my dates. Six, and I come here to add an item. I've input this information. I come here to add an item. I can click on anything and type in something to find, which this works pretty well, although I'll show you there's a glitch. I click on Mickey Ballroom, and it returns Mickey cast member 9-inch for Disney Store Japan. And all of this information that I input up here on the blue line is now gone. So if I were to retype this information again and add another item, it would disappear once again. Let me just punch in something like that. Add. I'll go back to product name, type down K, find, and let me try Mickey Santa. And it pulls in Mickey cast member again. I don't know why that's working that way. What I did do is, let's see, I went to the item list and I tried an item number, and that seemed to pull in correctly. It did work. So one last thing here with this is I don't need this showing like this. Actually, when you pull in the item, it should pull in the item number, the client product name, but not the order quantity. That's the only thing that my people need to enter, is an order quantity on each line after they pull in the item. So this should really be the only field that is white. These were white on the mock-ups because we were going to be inputting something here and hoping that it would pull in once you tabbed over. But since we've got this nice button out here for add, we don't need this. This should auto-populate as soon as you click on the item that you want. And one last item with regard to here, it's client pack. It should actually read client retail. So if we can get that fixed, that would be great.